know homage just means not only to the city of Hamilton, but also to us at Agave Rye. As you mentioned, it being our 18th location. We've been blessed to kind of be spreading like wildfire. I want to keep that going, and I'm blessed, and I hope I keep that traction coming here in Hamilton. Our vibe hopefully is felt when you walk into our doors.
Hi, welcome to Agave Rye. Hi, welcome.
We kind of try to provide that escape from reality. So when you come in through our doors, you kind of just get lost in the art, the ambiance, the vibe from our team. We kind of want you to forget about everything outside of our restaurant and just enjoy yourself. Get lost in our epic tacos. They're called epic because they're larger than life. It's a hands-on experience. You'll need both hands to eat those tacos. But yeah, that's kind of what we try to provide. It's just a family away from home, even for our team members. We don't consider ourselves a team, but better a family. Well, our tacos, as I mentioned, are pretty large. They're a hands-on experience. They start with a soft flour tortilla on the outside, then a crunchy corn on the inside. In between those two shells, you can get a cushion, we call it. We can get guacamole or queso right in between those two shells. And in between those two shells, we got all kinds of ingredients, from things you wouldn't traditionally put on a taco to things you're used to seeing, like our plain Jane is our ground beef, lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, white cheddar. We just introduced taco flights, which is now going to give you a variety of smaller tacos. In case you didn't want to commit to one large taco, you can now get a taco flight, try 3 different tacos, and maybe next time you can get that epic size of the one you actually enjoy. We've got a lot of seating, not just inside but outside as mentioned. We kept the canopy from the Body Shop. We wanted to stay true to that. So you can sit right underneath that. That is uncovered patio over there. Then we've also got covered patio over here with 5 heaters, 5 fans. So whether it's too hot out there or too cold, we hopefully can still seat you outside if we don't have room for you inside. We could not be happier with the team that we've got here in Hamilton. Hamilton has given us some really good talent and quality valued human beings that are part of our family here.